26-inch deep wave Amazon wig install.
Intro.
So the wig I got from LRV Wig Company on Amazon was a wet water wave glueless wig, but you can also glue it, and it's pre-plucked with a 13x4 HD lace. The wig was a 180 density. I honestly don't even know what to do for background noise because I don't think you can add background music on YouTube at all, and I know you get copyrighted if you add it yourself, so I'm just gonna talk for a second. After putting the wig cap on, I put the foundation on, which I should have waited until after I glued it because I ended up having to put the foundation again over where I glued it. But I use powder foundation from Shein, or I think I got that from the dollar. No, I think this one was the Shein one. But I keep seeing people use like liquid foundation. Now I want to try liquid foundation. I've tried the spray. I keep getting the wrong shades, as you could see. I keep getting the color too light. I don't know. I need somebody to color match me. But my shade does change every fucking summer and winter. So, again, I don't know what to do for background noise. So, yeah, I just got to talk. Now I'm spraying the Got2b glue. I use Got2b glue to glue the wig cap down because I like that spray. I like to glue the wigs with it, too. It's just the summer right now, and the way this birth control got me sweating, that doesn't add up no more. I cannot wear the Got2b glue by itself. I have to use the wig glue. And do not forget to cover your ears when you spray this, because I used to spray all of my ears and then have mad glue crust in my ears, and that's probably why my ears be hurting. But anyways, after that, I use the silk wrap thingy to wrap it, because if you use the straps other than the ones that rip off and shit like that, it leaves like a dark layer, I've seen a video saying. So this is me putting the color on the lace. This is going to be a lot of me just talking in the video because I can't add music again. So just a lot of talking. I honestly don't even know what the fuck to talk about. If you're actually listening, go watch my other videos on YouTube. I have other wig installs and shit like that. And then like package video I just recently posted. Anyway, so right now I'm cutting the wig cap. Don't mind my scissors. I use scissors from the dollar store. I'm pretty sure it was Family Dollar, because I gotta buy real hair cutting scissors. This was just because I needed last minute scissors and I wasn't trying to spend $30 or more on scissors. So yeah, I'm just trying to tuck the little piece of hair that will not tuck. I don't think I even ever got that. So now I'm cutting the rest of the wig cap. I feel like I'm just talking. Like, this is crazy. Anyway, so I'm still cutting the wig cap. This is going mad long. And this video is not even a long video. It's only an 8-minute long video. And I've done longer videos before, but this feels crazy because of the fact that I have to really do the voiceover. Don't mind all the acne on my forehead. This heat, like I said again, I've been sweating. This birth control plus this heat, and then my low iron has not been like adding up at all. I've been hot, cold, sweaty as fuck. Anyway, so now this is how the wig looks over the wig cap. I did not put the glue yet. This is just showing how the wig looks over it. I do like the wig. I honestly did not try wetting it. Now I want to put the wig back on and wet it. I just seen that in the description on Amazon that it was a wet water wave, and I thought it was too when I looked at it, but I wasn't sure. So I cut the lace before I put the wig on, but that wasn't the best decision. That was not the best decision. Yo, what the fuck? That was not the best decision because I've tried it both ways before and on my head, and I think on the head is better for cutting it. So right now I'm putting the layer 1 of the glue on. You gotta evenly spread it out and make sure that when you put it on, it's even when you spread it out. I know I just said that. I meant to say that it dries clear before you put layer 2 on. This part is going mad slow, so I'm just thinking of other shit to say, and I zoomed in because I did not record a long version like for YouTube. I only recorded one for TikTok and Instagram, and I don't know why. That was a mistake. So this is my attempt of zooming in and shit. So now I'm smoothing it out, trying to make it as even as I can. You know, I'm not a hairstylist. I just like to do wigs. And, you know, I like to promote them and record videos and stuff. So now I'm still talking, still smoothing it out, still evening it out. This is still layer 1. Bless you, Halo. So, yeah, this is going very slow. As you can see, wig cap strings coming off. I gotta get better face razor things to cut the lace and wig cap and all that. And I honestly just be scared. I don't know how people just be cutting that against their face. You know how many times I slip my skin doing that? I be holding it all up in the air, ripping the glue up, all that, trying to cut it even because I don't want to cut my skin. And then, as you can see, all the wig cap clumped up on the side. I don't even know if I cut that or just kept smoothing it down. But the sides definitely did not stick because I let the sides dry too much. I should have did 3 layers, but I honestly didn't want to keep the wig on that long, so I did 2 because I wanted it to stay on at least a week, but not longer than that. Layer 2, make sure it's dry completely before putting layer 2 on, and then make sure layer 2 is dry completely before putting the wig on. You could let it air dry or use a blow dryer. I do both. I let it air dry for a majority of the time, like an hour, and then I use a blow dryer like for brushing the ending of it and the beginning maybe. So now I'm trying to put the wig on. Again, I think I should have cut it after I put it on my head because obviously I did not draw on my forehead to line up the lace before cutting it, and I've seen mad videos on how to do that, and I've done it before, like cutting it nice without putting it on my head first. So the fact that I just did not think of like what I was doing beforehand is crazy. And I hate the little hairs that get stuck underneath. That should be annoying. But so now I'm actually pulling it over and putting it on the glue. I had to pull it off of the glue like 3 times. This video doesn't even show me fully applying the wig. I had to fully apply it off camera because I was getting frustrated on camera because it's, for some reason, I see other people do it on camera and they do it mad easy, but when I do it, it's harder to focus on camera than it is off camera. Like, I could just do it mad nice off camera, and then when I'm doing it on camera, I feel like it's more rushed or something. Like, I gotta rush it. I don't know. Even though I'm moving slow and shit like that, it's still, this is the 8-minute video, not sped up. So, and then doing a wig nice does not take 8 minutes. That shit takes longer. But you could tighten it in the back if it's too big. It was too big for me, so I had to tighten it. And the front lace was too big also, so that's also why there was a lot of gaps and shit. So I should have cut it into it before putting it on. But yeah, so I ended up using a comb to try to fix it. I had to use wig remover spray to get the glue that wasn't under the lace off of my forehead, because again, I cut the lace beforehand, so it was not the shape of my forehead. I was just cutting around the lace, which I had to cut off more hair if I really wanted it to fit my forehead correctly. I had to cut off more of the lace in the front and all that, and as you can see, it was on crooked, so I had to move it again. But the glue wasn't messing up because I let it dry, so that was good. Well, not dry. I let it like dry clear. My bad for the silence. I was inhaling something. I don't know if I could say it on YouTube. Was not anything crazy though. So this is how the wig came out.